I'm going to show you how you can get verified on LinkedIn. Now, from LinkedIn, you just have to go to your profile here. Now, on your profile, you want to go to your actual profile again. And then on profile, you want to tap on Add Verification Badge here. Now, on Add Verification Badge, let's just wait for it to load. Now, on the verification part, you can pick a couple of methods to verify, for example, persona or clear. Now, we're going to use persona to actually get verified here. Let's just tap on Verify with Persona. Now, on Verify with Persona, let's just let it load here, let it buffer. Now on here, you have to select a country that's issued with your government ID, right? So where you live, pick on this, right? I'm just gonna keep on Austria here. Just tap on I agree, and then you want to I consent here. Now tap on continue. Now, once you tap on continue, check if you have this symbol on your ID or check whatever it is prompted on you on the screen here, right? Just tap on yes continue. And then once you tap on yes continue, let's just wait for it to load. And then on here, you have to select your ID type. So either an identity card, a passport, or a residency permit. If I want to pack on passport, I'm just going to tap passport. And then this is as far as I could take you. You will have to take a photo of your government ID and also the back of your government ID as well. And then you'll have to continue with the follow on-screen prompt. This is as far as I could take you because if I shoot anymore, I'll be basically doxing myself. But from here on out, you can probably do it yourself because the on-screen prompt will be pretty easy.